Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you Photoshop for layer mystery. If you guys are new this, and thanks for watching guys. And watch the full video and like, share and subscribe to my channel. And watch the process of editing and share the video and like the video. And watch the video.